Welcome to our channel. Once upon a time, in a quaint and serene village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, there resided a venerable monk whose wisdom was renowned far and wide. This sage, known as Master Sito, possessed not only profound insight but also a delightful sense of humor that endeared him to all who sought his guidance. One fine day, a young and eager student named Sam approached Master Sito, his heart brimming with curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. "Master," Sam implored, "I yearn to unravel the secrets to happiness and success. Please teach me the ways." Master Sito regarded Sam with a knowing twinkle in his eyes, his lips curling into a gentle smile. "Ah, young one," he replied, "but before we embark on such a profound journey, there is a simple task you must complete." Sam's brow furrowed in curiosity as Master Sito continued, "Go forth to the bustling market and procure the grandest, most luscious watermelon you can find. Then, with unwavering determination, balance it upon your head and traverse through the village without letting it tumble." Though puzzled by the seemingly unconventional task, Sam accepted the challenge with fervor. Making his way to the market, he carefully selected a behemoth of a watermelon, its vibrant green skin promising sweetness within. With the hefty fruit perched precariously atop his head, Sam set off on his journey, his gaze fixed on the path ahead. As Sam made his way through the village, the sight of him with the enormous watermelon elicited a chorus of laughter and cheers from the villagers. Some couldn't resist joining in, adding to the jovial atmosphere with playful antics and encouraging gestures. Despite the amused gazes of onlookers, Sam remained steadfast, his determination unshaken. Finally, after navigating through a series of obstacles and unexpected bumps in the road, Sam arrived at Master Sito's humble abode. To his immense relief, the watermelon remained firmly in place atop his head, its integrity unblemished. Expecting words of praise and commendation, Sam looked to Master Sito with anticipation. However, to his surprise, the wise monk erupted into hearty laughter, his eyes twinkling with mirth. "Well done, young one," Master Sito exclaimed between fits of laughter. "You have demonstrated a valuable lesson indeed." Confused yet intrigued, Sam listened intently as Master Sito continued, his laughter gradually subsiding. "You see, the secret to happiness and success lies not in avoiding challenges or obstacles, but in embracing them with a light heart and a sense of humor. Just as you carried that watermelon with determination and a smile, so too must you navigate through life's trials and tribulations," Master Sito explained. "With each obstacle, approach it not with seriousness and despair, but with laughter and resilience." Sam's eyes widened in understanding as the wisdom of Master Sito's words resonated within him. From that moment onward, he embraced life's challenges with a newfound sense of joy and humor, drawing strength from the memory of the amusing watermelon lesson. And so, armed with laughter and determination, Sam embarked on life's journey with a heart full of courage and a smile upon his lips. For he had learned that in the face of adversity, a light heart and a sense of humor could turn even the toughest of trials into moments of triumph and joy. Subscribe for more videos.